Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore the latest trend and innovation in technology. Today this video is going to be very interesting. I am going to compare latest Midjourney version, which is version 5.1, with the old version, which is version 5. I'll also guide you how to step back to version 4 or version 5, as version 5.1 is activated by default. Hi, I'm Aswal from AI Dynamics. Let's get started. Here is the new announcement from Midjourney for the 5.1 update. Version 5.1 is more opinionated like version 4 and is much easier to use with short prompts. In version 5, it was insisted to write longer prompts in the form of natural sentences for accurate imagination. Now you can write shorter prompts separated by commas like in version 4 or earlier. There is a new raw mode that you can activate to produce images in an unopinionated manner. Where the raw mode is used, the result you will get will be similar to Midjourney's version 5.0, meaning you will have to add longer prompts to make the tool create images more inclined to the way you imagined them. So we are going to use some good prompts to test the above changes and also compare it with the existing version, which is Midjourney version 5. Go to settings and click V5.1 on the second row or type V5.1 after the prompt. For raw mode, click the raw mode button under settings after clicking V5.1 or type Style Raw. Other changes include higher coherence. This is the first upgrade in Midjourney version 5.1 from Midjourney version 5. Higher coherence means higher consistency and a logical connection between the elements. So, increased in clarity. So let's test it using a good prompt. As you can see, I have written a prompt for Midjourney version 5.1 and here is the result. You can see how sharp the object is and how clear it is. You can clearly see increase in clarity with the art generated by Midjourney version 5. So I'll be using now the same prompt in Midjourney version 5. And here is the result. You can see the objects are not as sharp and clear, and there is some missing logical connection between the elements in Midjourney version 5. So Midjourney version 5.1 is clearly superimposes Midjourney version 5. So what do you think, guys? Is it something better than ever? Please post your opinion in the comment box below. More accuracy to text prompts. With this, our prompts will be more accurate and the art generated from Midjourney algorithm will be more accurate than ever before. Let's test it using our prompts. So, Danger Meets Beauty tones and Black Panther with glowing green screen, Sunreal, night setting and dramatic lighting. And here is the result in MJ version 5.1. You can see how extraordinary the results are. And it is more accurate to what we have entered. Now we will test it using Midjourney version 5. And here is the result. We'll be using the same prompt, okay? And here is the result. You can see in one of the pictures the girl is missing. So you can clearly see the difference between the output of MJ version 5.1 and MJ version 5. Fewer unwanted borders or text artifact. Now let's test this upgrade using our prompts. So first of all, I will be writing prompt for the MJ version 5.1 and you can see the results. You can see how accurate it is, how sharp it is, and it doesn't have any unwanted object or text or anything which is in the background which we have not entered into the text. Now let's test the same thing in version 5. As I have activated version 5.1 by default, so again I am using 5 over here, V5 over here, in order to make it reverse back to the version 5. And here is the result. You can clearly see the difference between the version 5 and version 5.1. Improve sharpness. Let's test if the images generated are sharper than before. Here is the MJ version 5 prompt. Have a flower, do Joanna, water droplets on flower, vision, ultra high definition, real. And you can see the results. How accurate it is, how sharp it is. Now we will be testing the same prompt in version 5. So let's write the prompt. I have activated version 5.1 by default, so I am writing over here V5. And here is the result. You can clearly see that the image is not as sharp as it was in version 5.1. You can clearly see the difference as I have put both the images side by side and you can test it yourself how images are sharper than before. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more contents like this. Also, if you want to know more about Midjourney AI, I have explained in great detail in this video. Be sure to check it out. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.